Good afternoon students, my name is Sachin Verma. I am from KB Malaysian Step 2 of Bangalore region. Today we will starting a new chapter, Snake Charmer Story, which is of 5th standard EVS. Okay, so this person is a snake charmer. Okay, his name is, suppose his name is Aryanath. So he said, I am Aryanath, I am a snake charmer, I entertain people with snake. I know to play the bean. Okay, I know to play the bean. This is a bean. Okay, this one is bean, and make the snake dance. So he learned this art from his father and grandfather. Okay, so their community means the people who used to play the beans, they are used to saying Kalvelias. So his father, Aryanath's father, he is his grandfather. So they are playing beans. They are playing. Okay. So now his grandfather tells, when I open the bamboo basket, people gather to watch the snakes. Okay. They give me rice, pulses, and food at the end of the snake show. Okay, snake show. So whatever the people must be having, they will be providing the snake charmer, suppose in the form of rice, pulses, food, etc. For because they entertain the people by making a snake dance. Okay, so like this they used to come. Suppose if you have not seen, sometimes some of the students must have seen this type of dance. Okay, if you have not seen, so kindly enjoy. Okay, or other work. What are the other works that they used to do? So they all not only entertain people but also give them medicine after collecting some herbs from the forest and heal some of their illness. How? Because they know how to identify which snake has bitten the people. They know which snake has bitten the people. So they know how to remove the venom from the body of the people bitten by snakes. Okay, so they know how to entertain the people also, but not only entertain, they also know how to cure them, how to heal their some of the illness which is of caused by snake. So there is a law and when now. What kind of law and when? Some people catch the snakes for their venom. Okay, some people kill the snakes and sell their skin at higher price. So they are hunting the snakes. So to protect snake being existed means to protect them, the snakes, our Indian government has made a law to ban the catching of snakes and keeping them in the house for entertainment. So the government of India has made a law to ban the catching of snakes and keeping them in the house for entertainment. Okay, like this. So what is their life now? Suppose Indian government has already banned up snakes to being caught. So what will they do now? Fearing the punishment, they have left their snake charmer work. Now they are entertaining. They used to entertain people with instruments like tumba. This is tumba. Okay, this one is bean. Okay, this one is dhol. Okay, they used to play now these instruments to entertain the people, because for their survival on the earth, because we all need something. So how will they earn? How will they get food? So they are now entertaining the people by these instruments. Okay, see, these are Kalvelias people. Okay, they are usually found in Rajasthan state of India. Okay, now let us discuss. Now I'll discuss some of the points. The snakes are venomous and dangerous to all. Why does our government ban the act of capturing the killing a snake? Why? Because this is the region. The regions are, the snakes are endangered animals. They are endangered animals. Okay, that is, they are being killed by men every day. That's why their number is becoming less, and it affects the equilibrium in nature. As you know better, all of you, that you need tree and tree needs you. You say protect tree, save tree, save earth. Why? Because tree provides us oxygen. If tree will be cut, so you will be getting less oxygen. So like this, all the species, whatever in the entire earth is there, the earth is there, all are very important. Their existence is very important to the earth, and yourself also. They all maintain equilibrium in nature. Okay. Secondly, our government wants to regularize the act of selling and buying venom of a snake for anti-venom preparation. Okay. So they impose the law because they want to regularize the act of selling and buying venom of snakes for anti-venom preparation. So they want a recognized government agency to sell it, not by individual snake charmer. So that's why they have put up a ban, okay, on capturing and killing the snake. Okay. Now they are sharing you some knowledge. What are the knowledge? You see. So Aryanath, you know, all of you, that all about snakes. So which are poisonous and which are non-poisonous. But are fungus in snake, how to remove the fungus, and you must go to cities and share the knowledge with all the children. That's why they are sharing their knowledge. Okay. So what kind of knowledge they will provide to you? Now we will see. Okay. See, these are the poisonous snakes in India. First one is Brussels viper, second cobras, third one saw scales viper, that is the common krait. This one is king cobra, second is Brussels viper, this one is saw scaled viper, fourth one is krait. Okay, fourth one is krait. Okay, these are the poisonous snake which can harm your body and yourself. So be aware of them. Okay. Okay, have a glance of it. Okay, have a glance of it for 1 minute. Okay. Now, the poisonous snakes have fungus. These are the fungus. Okay, these are fungus. Okay, they have the fungus which the venom is passed on to the prey, means other person, other animal, other human being. Okay, so they can pass through it, but they were passing their venom. Okay, their venom. Okay, so see here they are passing on a glass. Okay, they are passing on a glass container also. Snakes. And now we will discuss king cobra. Oh, got fear? No, you should not be fear, but you should be fear. Why? The most famous and most feared one snake in India, the king cobra, is a large and powerful snake. It's a large and powerful snake. King cobra's skin is either olive green, tan or black, or it has faint pale yellow cross bands. Okay, it has faint pale yellows cross band down the length of the body. The belly is cream and pale yellow. The scales are smooth, and people treat king cobra as god in India. So once you see these characteristics in the snake, then you can recognize this is a king cobra snake. Okay. Now see here, these are non-poisonous snakes. See, these are anacondas. Because they don't have the fungus. See, can you recognize? No. So these are non-poisonous snake of snake. See here, they have captured. Okay, they have captured it. See, they have captured it. Okay, Now, up all human beings wants entertainment. You also want entertainment. That's why you must be missing your friends, school, teachers also. So are they all are made for entertainment purpose also. So man keeps many animals for entertainment. Like, so I'll be naming some of them. First one, you can see monkey, you can see dog, dolphins, many animals in the circus. Okay, if you want to watch a video, click on this monkey, you will be able to watch okay, you will be able to watch a video. And these animals are made, they are keeping for entertainment purpose. Okay, so we find these animals in zoo, circus, national parks and sanctuaries. Sanctuaries are set up by Indian government. So there are some national park, like you have in Karnataka state Bannerghatta National Park. Already you have learned. Okay, so there are some national park where you can find these animals. Okay, cinemas, amusement parks, road plays, aquarium. Okay, you can find these animals amusing you. They are making you entertain on these areas. Suppose students, now due to the COVID-19, all of you are staying at home. Do you feel good? I think you must be feeling bored because you are not able to talk to your friends, you cannot see your teachers, you cannot interact with another person like your friend circle only. So like this, animals also don't like to be caged. Then how can the animals be caged? Because man has invented this matter to overpower them. Do you like it? No. That's why they are not liking to be caged. They are not liking to be caged. So that's why this is the reason, because you should not put up an animal into a cage. Okay, see, man is directly dependent on the animals for food and also for his livelihood. It's a donkey, it is being used for lifting up heavy luggages. Okay, this is also very well. This one is horse, camel, fish, elephants. These are the animals where man totally depends on the animals for their livelihood. See, now students, I will be providing you to have a survey. Suppose I have done one example here, how I have surveyed one animal like a cow. So how many animals one has kept? 3. Person looking after, farmer, place they are kept, shed, food and water, they are giving grass, hay, 30 liter of water. So okay, they are providing. And cow, any illness, foot and mouth disease. Okay, suppose an illness, so you can write here also remarks why they are keeping this cow, where they are keeping the cow. They are keeping cow for milk purpose. Okay, they are keeping for milk purpose. Okay, they are obtaining milk from cow, that's why they are keeping. Okay, so like this, you have to make a survey at least on 5 animals. Okay, so you can take help of your parents also. This is your survey. See, it can lift up to the body of 1/3. See here, it has lift. Okay, see, the snake charmer is playing flute, and they are actually responding to the pleasant sound of the bean. These are the people that they are watching a snake charmer, that he or she is performing the act to make the people entertained. So we used to gather like this, and afterwards, once the show is over, they will provide something like small rice, flour, whatever they will feel. So the people will provide whatever they have, they will provide to the snake charmer. Okay. I hope you all of you like this video and like this presentation. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you very much.